The heel-toe method, also known as heel and toe downshifting, is a technique used by some drivers when operating a manual transmission vehicle. It involves using the right foot to simultaneously press the brake pedal and blip the throttle with the heel of the foot while downshifting, in order to match the engine speed to the speed of the lower gear. This technique is typically used when downshifting while approaching a corner or a curve, in order to smoothly engage a lower gear without upsetting the balance of the vehicle or causing unnecessary wear on the clutch. The heel-toe technique requires practice and coordination, as it involves simultaneously operating the brake, clutch, and throttle pedals with different parts of your foot. It is not necessary for everyday driving and is typically used by more experienced drivers or those participating in performance driving activities. If you are not familiar with the heel-toe technique or do not feel comfortable performing it, it's best to stick to regular downshifting without using the technique to avoid unintended consequences such as stalling the engine or causing excessive wear on the clutch. It is not commonly used when starting from a standstill on an uphill slope. When starting on an uphill slope in a manual transmission vehicle, the most common technique is to use the clutch and accelerator pedals to smoothly engage the clutch and apply enough throttle to prevent the vehicle from rolling backward. It's important to note that starting on an uphill slope requires proper coordination between the clutch and accelerator pedals to prevent stalling or rolling backward. Practice and familiarity with your vehicle's clutch engagement point and power delivery are key to mastering smooth uphill starts. If you are not comfortable with this technique or are unsure, it's best to practice in a safe, flat area or seek guidance from an experienced driver or a driving instructor. For more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.